How to install IPA file specifically for pen testing. So here is a framework we can use, it called Apple Configurator, right? This is the framework. Using that framework you can install any application, okay, in phone. So you can see this is a phone connected. You select the phone just like that. You need to select, okay. So example, it says this phone is not selected. Now click here, is selected, and after that go to the action, add application, click here app. Now you can simple click here, choose from the Mac, and you can select the application. Remember, whatever the application you are selecting, it should be signed by Apple, okay. It should be signed by Apple. It means you need to sign, okay, using this command called Apple sign, okay. This is the command. And first once you sign this application, okay, after that you can simple select the IPA, which is the new IPA. You can see resign IPA and then add it, and then in this application is going to work under this phone. So in this case, okay, you need to select, okay, quick time, open the phone, and it's going to work. So in my case the application is perfectly working. But this is the way, that's how you can install application with the help of Apple Configurator. That's all for this section. Have a great day. See you in the next episode.